So, I find this so funny. I find this so funny. A lady feeds her little girl a peanut butter and jelly sandwich at Target. I don't find any problem with that. She's feeding her kid. Great. And all you whiny little stupid liberal piss ants, you got a problem with somebody feeding their child. Cry for me. Cry. Cry me a river. Cry, little whiner. Whine. Whine, whine, whine. You're whining about your... You're whining about an adult taking care of her kid. Not your kid, her kid. An adult taking care of her own child. And y'all get so butthurt over it. Boo-hoo-hoo. Wah! Cry me a river. Hey, look out here. It's dry. It is dry out here. See the wind blowing? Cry me a river. All right? Put some moisture on the dirt. Cry me a river. Come on, cry, little liberals. Cry, 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 cry. I want to hear crying all across the nation. I want to see a river of tears. Look around for my bottle of liberal tears so I can drink them. Oh, you poor little things. You got nothing better to do than to worry about somebody else's child having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I love them. I grew up on them. Yum, yum, yum. Later.